Assalamualaikum. Good morning everyone. We have practical life class again. Miss Sophie will show you how to put the water into the glass. What do we need? We need two kind of glasses and also jug. Don't forget put it on the tray. Ask your mom to prepare this. Okay. Thank you.
Hi everyone! Okay, welcome to Art and Craft. Today we are going to make my father body craft. There are some materials that you need to prepare. The first one is liquid glue, and then marker, pencil, scissors, some pom-poms, and ice doll here. Don't forget this set of my father body craft. There are three kinds of origami paper: yellow, green, and red. Okay, let's start now. First, you have to draw on the red paper. Yeah, we have done with the shirt. Now let's draw the pants. Yeah, we have done with the pants. Now let's draw a circle. Okay. Now let's cut. And now let's give glue on the pants. Okay, don't give too much glue. And then stick it. Yeah, okay, now Now let's give hair using the pom-pom. And then we will draw the hands using this black mark. let's give the finger. Here. Put it here. Now let's draw the legs. And take the pom-pom. Put it here. Okay, we have done. Now it's time to give the eye. And wow, we have done. And let's draw the nose. We draw the nose. Don't forget to draw the mouth also. And what else? Ears here. Yeah, here it is. We have done with my father body craft. Now it's your time to practice at home. Thank you.